In this video, we show you how to train your custom splitting model and guide you through the steps. We start in the workflow overview on our platform and select Train Your Own Model Now. Here you can find all our custom AI features. For our splitting model, we select Create Custom Splitting. We start with describing our workflow by giving it a name and short description. You can also upload an image. This will help you to distinguish this workflow from the others. Now we have to give the AI some information about our documents so it knows which tasks need to be done. Are the documents always perfectly cropped, or should they be cropped in the workflow? Is the content on the documents in the Latin or Japanese alphabet? Is the text printed or handwritten, or can it be both? The basis of the AI model is now in place. Now we have to train it on our documents. For this, we select Upload Training Data. Here we can upload all of our training documents. You can create multiple collections for your documents in case you want to sort them. You can also decide if you upload your documents already splitted the way you need them, or if you upload them merged together. When uploading merged documents, you have to annotate them to show the AI your custom split points. It's very important to select documents that are very similar to the documents that the model will process later, and also to upload enough training data. For our custom splitting workflow, we need at least 200 output documents. Now we have to annotate our documents. This means we have to show the AI the split points of the documents. In our case, we want to keep the receipts merged together. To do this, we click on Merge Documents. All other documents should be splitted. The AI already recognized them and splitted them. Otherwise, we need to manually click on Split Documents. It's very important that you annotate your documents carefully. This is the foundation of your AI model, and the AI will learn exactly what you teach it in the annotations. When you are done annotating this document, you can save it and move on to the next one. Once all documents are annotated, you can start training your AI. This means the AI now learns how to process your documents. Training is completed within the next 24 hours. However, your workflow API is already ready and can be integrated. You can find all information such as code snippets and JSON response examples in the workflow documentation. Once the training is completed, you can test your workflow in the live interface. Therefore, we just upload a document via drag and drop. Here you can check if the AI recognized all of the split points correctly. For us, everything worked. Great! Now it's your turn. Get started with training your own AI model and get in touch with our AI experts if you need assistance.